President. The first supplementary question will be asked by the Honourable, the Leader of the Opposition.
Right. Thank you very much, Honourable House Chair. Mr. President, here is the follow-up question, sir. The MK Party is deeply concerned that, notwithstanding overwhelming evidence, agencies such as SARS, the South African Reserve Bank, the Hawks, the Public Protector, as well as the NPA, the heads of all those agencies are appointed by you, sir. They have cleared you of wrongdoing. This contradicts the findings of an independent panel which was appointed in terms of Section 89 and chaired by the
Honourable members, Honourable Leader of the Opposition, can you just hold there, please? Honourable members, the person who asked the question, the member who asked the question, have 2 minutes to make an intervention followed by the question. Now, if we get these type of interjections, it will not be possible for the President or for myself then to ultimately hear what the follow-up question is. Can we give the member a fair opportunity, please? The Honourable Leader of the Opposition.
Thank you.
Please, order.
The panel that was led by retired Chief Justice Nobo concluded that there was a case to answer, inasmuch as you violated your oath of office and you were also implicated in the corruption at Phala Farm. The question is this, sir. Given that in South Africa we transact in rands, and the reports indicate that dollars were found at Phala, are you now in a position to finally take this House into confidence and tell us the truth, that these transactions had nothing to do with a legitimate business? Because you cannot conduct a business whilst you are serving as a president of this country, and also, was the person who cleared you at NPA, was that person vetted? Thank you.
The Honourable President. All honourable members. The President.
Thank you, Honourable House Chair. Honourable Hlophe has asked a variety of questions, and I did say in my head reply that this matter was dealt with by the National Assembly, and the National Assembly took a decision, and that decision is now subject of litigation in the Constitutional Court. And I would like to respectfully say we should allow that process to unfold, and it should be a matter that will be dealt with by that court. And the variety of other questions that the honourable member has asked were responded to in a variety of institutions that have dealt with this matter.